Hello, I'm Jinsu Nam, Marketing Engineer for Fairchild Semiconductor.
And I'm Peter Chadbourne, Applications Engineer for Fairchild Semiconductor.
Today, we'll look at the technology and applications for the fsa800.
The fsa800 is a 3-to-1 USB accessory switch, which allows high-speed USB data, audio, and UART data all on one port. This technology can be used in many applications, including cell phones, MP3 players, personal media players, and GPSs. In all applications, the fsa800 provides more multimedia functionality in less space, providing a reduction in cost.
Fairchild Semiconductor's fsa800 is the industry leader by integrating a USB dedicated charger detection with a USB switch to provide a small, high-performing USB interface device. Existing industry single connector designs are very complicated, using many discrete components such as a 2-to-1 switch for microphone, termination registers, an analog switch, a USB switch, and charger detector.
The fsa800 reduces overall component count by integrating all of these features into a single device. Integration allows lower capacitance and lower series resistance in a single device, leading to better performance. This means fewer components and lower cost.
The cell phone industry is moving toward universal charging solutions because of a growing number of discarded cell phone chargers. Most cell phones have a unique charger connector. When a new phone is purchased, the old charger needs to be replaced.
Fairchild Semiconductor's fsa800 enables a single multimedia port for all audio, USB data, UART, and charger connectivity. It offers two unique features, a charger detection feature and microphone capability.
First, let's look at the microphone capability. The fsa800 has design flexibility by allowing the headphone mic connection with the internal switch to be on either the V-bus or D+ pin of the USB connector. This feature enables the portable device to accept different headset configuration for both stereo and mono headset with microphone. To show an example of that microphone connection, we have an fsa800 evaluation board that also has a microphone amplifier on the board. Using the oscilloscope and probe, we are looking at the output of the microphone amplifier. We set the select switch on the fsa800 to connect the V-bus to the microphone amplifier input. We plug in a micro USB headset. When we do this, we can now see the waveform of our voice on the oscilloscope. Right and left audio can also be sent from the codec to the headset at the same time. This connection is similar when the mic input is placed on the D+ line, except that the headset audio will be in mono mode.
Now let's look at the other prominent feature of the fsa800, the charger detection feature. I'll show you how this works. The dedicated charger is attached to the micro USB port and is plugged into an electrical outlet. It detects the charger by looking for a valid V-bus signal and checking if the D+ and D- lines are shorted together. To show you the advantages of charger detection, we have modified a micro USB cable so it can be plugged into the fsa800 evaluation board on one end and a power supply on the other end. The power supply is set to 5 volts and will be connected to the V-bus line. The fsa800 evaluation board also has a charger IC on the board, which is connected to a battery on the underside. These two LEDs are connected to the charging IC and indicate that there is a valid charging supply for one LED and that the charging is active on the other. This other LED is driven by the fsa800 and indicates that there is a dedicated charger connected. First, we will connect the cable to the power supply without connecting the D+ and D- lines together. We then plug the micro USB cable into the fsa800 board, and we see from the LEDs that there is a valid V-bus and it is charging the battery. We also see from the power supply that it is charging at a level of about 340 milliamps. We will now disconnect from the fsa800 evaluation board and connect the D+ and D- lines together, emulating a USB dedicated charger. Plugging the cable back into the fsa800 evaluation board, we see that there is a valid V-bus and the battery is charging. This time, however, the LED indicating a dedicated charger is illuminated and we can see from the power supply that it is charging at a higher level.
What is the benefit of the charger detection feature?
Per the USB standard, a standard USB port is only supposed to supply a maximum of 500 milliamps, while a dedicated USB charger can charge at up to 1.5 amps. Let's look again at the advantage of the charger detection feature on the fsa800. It enables the portable device to charge at a higher rate when a dedicated charger is connected. This allows a portable device to charge in much less time. The charger detection is very valuable, considering the size of the batteries that are required for newer 3G smartphones.
Fairchild Semiconductor's fsa800 is the industry leader by providing USB dedicated charger detection with a USB switch to provide a small, high-performing USB interface device.
Fairchild Semiconductor's FSA800 is a 3-to-1 USB accessory switch, which allows high-speed USB data, audio, and UART data all in one port. The FSA800 offers two unique features: integrated charger detection and microphone capability, providing a total system lower component count. To find out more about Fairchild Semiconductor's FSA800, go to fairchildsemi.com/multimedia switch.
I'm Jin Sunam.
And I'm Peter Chadbourne. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.